Speaking of Lyft and them trying to make changes, or in essence, just copying Uber, there's something that I got the other day, and it was just before that blizzard, and it says, "Hey, I texted you it, whatever I forget it was, is like you could come back and drive on the platform. It's busy right now, and you could earn up to $21 an hour." And I'm just like, oh, great. So I click it because I actually wanted to take a screenshot, but no, it was just a friggin' notification on the app coming instead of the app. So when I open it up, it's just like, oh, you want to go online now? No, I wanted the freaking thing, but more and more people are getting this. So it's the exact same thing that Uber's doing. So Risher will come on, he'll say, well, you know what? We're sending out emails to let you know that when it's busy, you can go out there and make some money. And isn't that what we all really want?
Yeah, that's what we want. Thanks, Paul.
Paul, thank you for the super chat.
We're going to do something. I think usually, yep.
Oh,
Let's go suspension. Timeout. Go to the corner.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Bro, it's like, yeah. So this is like, let's get you back out there. Okay, let me see what am I going to get out there for. Uber. Okay, by the way, my list that I put up last week, Chris, or was it 2 weeks ago? I'm up to 60 cities now. 60.
Ooh. Good job, everybody watching.
Thank you for the best crowdsourced database ever. So keep sending them to me. Sergio at RideShareGuy.com. You know that Uber thing you guys get? But you know what's happening now? They're not putting numbers in, Chris. They're just saying between 7 and 10 a.m. it's busy. Get out there and drive. You know how it says you can earn median average was $18.
There's two reasons why.
They're omitting numbers.
One, because their numbers are getting so poor that it's not even really worth it to come out. And two, they're like, shit, Sergio's tracking all this, and now they're really showing.
Too late. I got 60 cities and all the time slots. Too late. It's declining. Yep. Or, I mean, look, I had actually this week, good news, Uber. Behold, there was one city that went up between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. Friday through Sunday. St. Louis went up to $29 an hour.
Was that because it was so cold?
I guess, I don't know. But first uptick, Uber, see, it's all good. But I have the data already, and I'm going to keep adding to the data. So Lyft is copying Uber. It goes between 12 a.m. Monday and 1 a.m. on Monday, and Sunday 10 p.m. It says business times for requests were Monday, blah, 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 busiest time. And most drivers in New York, that's horrible, Lyft, if they just earn 20. Oh, this is New York State. Okay, never mind.
Most drivers. Well, no. This is most drivers in New York, not New York.
In York. Oh, sorry. My glasses are all in my face. In York. Where is York, by the way? Where is York?
It could be York, Pennsylvania. It could be York. I mean, it could be different areas. I'm not sure, but I'm assuming it's probably Pennsylvania.
All right, York, Pennsylvania. $21 last month, including tips and bonuses. Okay? So Lyft, I would not put this out there. 21 an hour, including tips and bonuses. So let's assume 10% was included, Lyft's bonuses and tips, 10%. Let's go minimal. So that will put you down to like 19 before expenses. I wouldn't advertise this Lyft because after taking $5, $6, whatever it is your costs are per hour, I mean, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's below minimum wage in that state. York, Pennsylvania. There you go. Do you guys know what minimum wage in Pennsylvania is, or York? Is it 15?
I'm going to say it's probably 11, but I have no idea.
Yeah, and then this is another one. The Lyft is $21. This is San Francisco. You know how bad that is for San Francisco, bro?
One of the most expensive places to live.
I started a
you earn 21 an hour.
21 an hour, including tips and bonuses in a city like San Francisco. It's a top 5 city, bro. I'm telling you. This is, and I'm pretty sure this is active hour, okay? I'm sorry, not active hour. This is online hour. But still, I mean, I'm going to earn 15, but how am I going to live in San Francisco, one of the most expensive cities on the planet, for like after expenses for $15 an hour? I wouldn't be putting these out, Lyft. I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't be too proud of that unless you missed the 2 and it was a 3, maybe. Okay, we can talk about that. But yeah, these so I'm collecting Lyft too now. I'm gonna have a spreadsheet with Lyft. So if you guys see these on your apps, please send
Now
it
they're
to
doing
me.
it.
Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. Please send it. Please send it. I want to build a database
Only
just like
7.25? Damn. Wow.
21, bro. 21.
No, it looks like somebody put 7.25. I don't know if that's true or not.
No, 7.25 is the federal one. I don't
Here,
think
you know what? Here,
Pennsylvania.
PA minimum wage.
Okay, there you go. Let's see. Is it
I'll
really?
look it up. There's this great thing called Google.
Yeah.
It's 15. Yep.
15? Yeah. Okay. So we're at minimum wage or a touch below. All right. Cool. Thumbs up. I work for a minimum wage this weekend. 11
hold on.
hours online. You know. Hey.
Do-
Come to the desert. Well,
Yeah,
I may come to the desert. Oh, you know. Oh, buy me dinner, Craig. Now we got an offer. I'm only like 110 miles from where you are.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.